Most people earn money every month but still feel like they're always broke. They don't know where their money goes and they're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. The truth is, they don't need to earn more, they just need a smart budget. A simple plan can give you control, reduce stress, and help you save for your dreams. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to budget your income, even if you've never done it before. Let's start with the most important step. Know how much you actually make. This means looking at your monthly income after taxes, not before. If you earn $3,000 but only get $20,500 in hand, then that's your real number. Always work with the money you actually receive in your bank, not what's on your offer letter. This is the base of every smart budget, knowing your true income. Next, list every single thing you spend money on in a month. This includes rent, groceries, gas, Netflix, and even that $3 coffee. Most people forget small things, but small things add up fast. Don't guess. Track your spending for 30 days and write it all down. You can use a notebook, an app, or just your phone's notes. Now comes the fun part. Organize your spending into categories. Make groups like housing, transportation, food, bills, and fun. This helps you see where most of your money is going every month. Some people spend more on food than rent and don't even realize it. Breaking it down by category gives you a clear picture. Once you see your numbers, it's time to make a plan. A good rule is the 50-30-20 budget. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. That means half your money goes to rent, food, and bills. 30% is for fun, shopping, and extras, and 20% should always go to savings and debt payments. If 50-30-20 doesn't work for you, it's okay. You can adjust it. Some people in big cities may spend more than 50% on rent alone. Others with low expenses might save more than 20%, and that's great. The goal is to make a budget that works for your real life. There's no one-size-fits-all, just make sure your plan feels balanced and realistic. Now let's talk about fixed versus variable expenses. Fixed expenses stay the same every month, like rent, insurance, or loan payments. Variable ones change each month, like groceries, gas, and entertainment. You can't easily cut fixed costs, but you can control variable ones. This is where you can start saving without feeling the pinch. One smart trick is to set spending limits for each category. For example, give yourself $300 for groceries and $100 for fun. Once you hit the limit, you stop spending in that category. This keeps your budget in control and stops you from going over. It feels like a game, and many people find it fun and effective. Always include savings in your budget, just like a bill. Treat it like something you must pay every month. No excuses. Even if it's just $50, that habit builds over time. You can set up auto transfer to savings every payday. That way, you save without even thinking about it. Also, build an emergency fund before anything else. Life is full of surprises: car repairs, hospital bills, job loss. If you don't have backup money, one emergency can break your budget. Try to save at least $1,000 as your first emergency goal. It gives peace of mind and protects you from credit card debt. After your emergency fund, focus on paying off high-interest debt. Credit cards can charge 20% interest or more. That's money draining fast. If you only pay the minimum, you'll stay in debt for years. Budget extra money every month just for debt payments. Every dollar you pay now saves you double in the future. If your income changes every month, don't worry. You can still budget. Start with your average monthly income from the last 3 to 6 months. Use the lowest income month as your base number. That way, you'll always be prepared, even if a slow month comes. And if you make more than expected, you can save or invest the extra. Many people use cash envelopes to stick to their budget. They put real cash into labeled envelopes like groceries, gas, and fun. Once the envelope is empty, they stop spending in that category. This method works great if you tend to overspend with cards. It makes you more mindful and helps control impulse buying. You can also use budgeting apps if you prefer digital. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar help track income and expenses. They send alerts, build charts, and even connect to your bank. This makes budgeting super easy and automatic. Pick the one that fits your style and stick with it. If you live with family or a partner, budget together. Sit down once a month and talk openly about money. Decide together on goals, limits, and savings targets. This avoids future fights and builds trust. Money teamwork makes life smoother and goals easier. Review your budget every single month. Don't skip it. Life changes, bills change, and your income might change too. What worked last month may not work this month. A quick 15-minute check-in can keep everything on track. Think of it like a money checkup, just like a health checkup. Set short-term and long-term money goals to stay motivated. Short-term goals can be saving for a phone or a small trip. Long-term goals might include buying a house or retiring early. Write these goals down and keep them where you can see them. A goal gives your budget a purpose. It keeps you excited. Don't forget to reward yourself when you hit small milestones. milestones. Budgeting doesn't mean living like a monk. It's about balance. Maybe treat yourself to a meal out or a movie night. Celebrating progress keeps you going long term. Just make sure your reward fits inside your budget. Sometimes unexpected expenses will mess up your budget, and that's okay. Don't feel guilty or give up, just adjust and keep going. Budgeting is like learning to ride a bike. It gets smoother with time. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. The key is to stay consistent and not quit. Budgeting isn't about being rich. It's about being smart with what you have. Even people with low income can build wealth with the right habits. It's not magic, it's just planning and discipline. The earlier you start, the better your future looks. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. Start using simple budgeting apps to make the process easier. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar are free and beginner-friendly. They track your spending, alert you for bills, and help set goals. Some even connect to your bank and do the math for you. With one app, you can carry your budget in your pocket, anytime, anywhere. Talk about your budget with your family or partner. It helps. When everyone is on the same page, there's less stress and more success. You can share goals, split bills, and keep each other accountable. Money conversations don't have to be awkward. They can be empowering. Together, you can build stronger habits and a better future. Avoid comparing your budget to others. It's your personal journey. Just because someone else drives a fancy car doesn't mean they're doing better. They might be drowning in debt while you're building real freedom. Focus on your progress, not on their Instagram highlights. Your financial peace is more valuable than looking rich. Keep learning about money. It's a lifelong skill. Watch YouTube channels, listen to podcasts, and read finance books. Even 10 minutes a day can change your entire money mindset. The more you learn, the more confident and in control you feel. And when you understand money, it stops controlling you. So let's recap. You earn, you plan, you spend with purpose, you save a little, enjoy a little, and slowly build a better life. That's the power of budgeting. It gives you control and peace. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop improving. Because your future self is counting on the choices you make today.